Hey, today we're going to talk about what to expect during a formal buyer consultation. Whether you are actively looking to buy a property or starting the buying process for a future purchase, it's always great to know exactly what to expect. Let's jump into it. If you're looking to learn more about the Bay Area real estate, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're thinking about making a move here to the Bay Area, reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you and answer any questions you have to start a conversation. Once you decide to purchase a home, the first major step is finding your real estate agent. Finding an agent that you get along with, respect, and most importantly, trust is essential to being able to find your future home. Do your due diligence and really read an agent's reviews and testimonials to see what other buyers and sellers and clients have felt while working with them and to see if they would be a good fit for you and your future purchase. After finding your agent, the next step is setting up an initial buyer's consultation. This is a meeting that you and your agent will meet to really lay down the foundation so that both of you will feel prepared to start the process. This is an opportunity for the agent to get to know you and your family and also understand, most importantly, your future needs. For initial consultation, it's really important to come prepared with clear ideas of what you're looking for. In order to start your home search, the agent needs a strong understanding of what kind of home you're looking for and in what location. It's helpful to do some research on your own and drive around neighborhoods or take a look around your current home or friends' homes and compile a wish list of things you should know that you want in your future home purchase. Equally as important as knowing the style of home and location you like is knowing what your budget and price is. Price point automatically narrows down your potential home pool, and it gives you an agent the strongest foundation to start your journey. Coming prepared for your consultation, knowing what you could afford is essential to a successful home buying process. If you aren't sure what you can afford, check out the link in the description or use a mortgage calculator to find out more. Once you are prepared with what you're looking for in a home and you know what you can afford, it's time to sit down with your agent and discuss your options with them. While knowing what you're looking for and coming prepared is important, your agent is an expert on the area and will be able to offer information that you may not be able to find on your own online. Agents have access to behind-the-scenes knowledge which can impact your opinion or influence elements you're looking for in a home once you're ready to start the actual search. The initial buyer consultation is an opportunity for you and your agent to get to know each other and better develop a game plan for the next steps in the process, paving the way for getting you and your family into the right home. And of course, that process involves a lot of finessing of information, expectation setting, and certain things that you might not be aware of right now. And with that, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a first-time home buyer and looking for more information about buying a home or the buying process, check out the playlist linked here. And if you're considering a move to the San Francisco Bay Area, make sure to get in touch with me or any of our agents on our team. Information is below. Even if you're just having a question or two or have some concerns, I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with a friend. Until the next one, see ya.